midweek, you've been at work all day and you want a really quick dinner, but you want to make it for yourself. So this is the pasta dish for you. Laura, you've always got these fantastic quick dinners. What's this one?
This is a spicy eggplant sugo with some pulse penne. So it's really healthy. It's a very quick dish, as you said, and it's probably one of my go-to meals at home because I've always got eggplant in the fridge. There's always some basil and always a can of tomatoes.
Eggplant. Did you want me to chop that for you?
Yes, please. So if you could dice that, so big dices for me, and I'm going to add lots of olive oil into our pan here. So eggplant loves olive oil.
It does
and
indeed.
it soaks it up a lot, so we do need quite a bit. And we basically want to cook this eggplant off on a really high heat and get lots and lots of caramelisation on the eggplant.
Yummo. I love eggplant because it really bulks out a dish, and it's that texture, that silky smooth texture that you get once it's cooked that's really lovely. And eggplant's one of those great alternatives to meat. Give yourself a break from it. It's a really nice alternative.
It is, and did you know, Justine, that eggplants are actually a fruit and not part of the vegetable family, so they're a nightshade, just like tomatoes. And if tomatoes and eggplant go well together, then basil's the perfect marriage for this dish.
There you go. Great little fun fact that is. And this dish is going to serve 2 people.
Yes,
So, again,
it is.
very cost effective.
And we want lots of it as well. You do want to taste every ingredient that you are putting into the dish itself, just a bit of salt in there.
We're also not salting the eggplant. Some recipes call for you to salt it, and sometimes I do if they're really, really big ones.
Yes.
But this one was a nice, firm, medium-sized one, and because we're frying it quite a lot, the bitterness will subside. It goes soft, and it goes caramelised a little bit, no bitterness at all.
No, and that's exactly what we're going for. So I reckon about 6 minutes, get it really nice and caramelised, and we can finish the sauce off.
Beautiful. All right, Laura, that eggplant is looking lovely. It's still holding its shape, but good colour on it.
Excellent. All right, so next we can add the pasta straight in. So we've got the pulse penne, which has 4 pulses. So obviously made from 4 different legumes, which is really, really good. High in fibre, high in protein, which is what you want with a dish like this.
This one's nice because it has a little bit of a nuttiness to it.
Yes, it
so
does.
not like your classic pasta, which is, it's a really nice change, just to mix it up a bit.
Yeah, and then so this can take about 6 to 8 minutes, but we'll add the chilli and the garlic straight into our pan.
I love how we've left the seeds in. Bit of extra heat.
Beautiful. Give that a quick toss. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt and some pepper. And then if you'd like to bring over the tomatoes, Justine.
Good old classic tin tomatoes, crushed tomatoes.
Beautiful. Straight in we go.
Done.
Right, Justine, we'll just wait for this sauce to thicken up a little bit, and it'll take no time at all.
Beautiful. All right, Laura, your sauce is looking thick and rich.
Yes.
So it's time to put the pasta in.
It is. So straight in, again, that pasta water, really important to thicken up the sauce and bring it all together.
I think all of Australia are becoming better cooks when it comes to pasta. You know, back in the days, you'd put your pasta down and put lots of sauce on. Gone are the days, thanks to people like you who are spreading that message. Tossing the pasta in the sauce is just going to taste so much better, isn't it?
It is, it is. So I'll bring this over here, Justine.
Yep.
If you want to start tearing some basil into here.
Sure can.
Just so it just wilts and you still get that fresh basil flavour. Beautiful.
Yum. I like to be quite heavy-handed with that basil because it really does flavour that sauce. Done.
All right, so we'll just make a little plate for us and then you can grate some Parmigiano on top for me.
Absolutely. Oh, yes.
One more, just because we're hungry people. Right, and I'll move this out of the way. Yum.
Just rain that over the top.
It's like you've done it before.
I've done that. Anytime I get to finish a dish off with a little bit of cheese, it makes me very happy.
Thank you.
Buon appetito. Yeah, good.
Nutty, very spicy.
Nothing wrong with a bit of spice. It goes really nicely with, what did you say it was called? That nightshade eggplant.